Hey everybody, Blake Root is here with F64 Academy and F64Elite.com. So if you saw the title, Pie It Forward, you saw the little screen grab or the thumbnail, it says Pie It Forward, you might be thinking Blake has lost his mind in his COVID quarantining. It's not exactly true. I had someone pie me, so now I want to pie it forward to somebody else. And I'll tell you the backstory on that in a second here. But first, let me tell you what I'm doing on Friday. So on Friday, I'm going to be hosting a live event on my live event platform, November 27th at 2:30 p.m. Central. So by that time, you should have all your online shopping done. You should be done with your turkey coma. You should be ready to kind of fill your mind with a nice message. And that's what I'm going to be doing on Friday. Now, I know that in this time, it can be very difficult to be creative because our mind is clouded with a lot of stuff that's going on because of this season that we live in. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing some actionable tips with you that can help you clear that clouded mind, to help you be more creative and get on your creative path. So I'm not going to be doing any Photoshop demonstration. I'm not even going to show any photography. So what I want to do is I want to equip you with some strategies that I use to help clear my mind and stay creative in this time where it can be very difficult to do so. Furthermore, what I'm also going to be doing on that live event is I'm going to be giving away a pie to a randomly selected individual. Now, it might not be physically possible for me to send you a pie, so restrictions might apply on the pie. There should be no restrictions on pie, but if I can't send it to you because of where it might be in the world, we'll figure something else out. But for the most part, I want to pie it forward to somebody else, so I'm doing that with a physical pie. Also, though, I'm going to be giving that individual a one-on-one 1-hour recorded session. Now, this session can be anything that individual wants. It could be a critique session. It could be a portfolio review. It could be a, hey, I don't know how to do this thing in Photoshop. Can you help me? Or if you just want to chat, I'm here to do that as well for that individual who wins the pie and wins that 1-hour one-on-one session. So with that being said, you must be present on the live event to win, okay? So what you're going to need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then in the description below, click the link and register for the live event, or click on the card above, or there's going to be at the end of this video, I'll also put a link there where you can get to the registration page for this special live event on Friday. Now, why am I doing this is kind of the question I think a lot of people are going to be asking. So just to give you a little bit of backstory. So last week I had a friend come over who's also a pastor at our church, the Rock of Kansas City, the Rock of KC as we call it. And he sent me a message. He said, hey, I'm coming by. Are you there? I said, yeah, I'm here. What's going on? He goes, nothing. Don't worry about it. I'll be over in a little bit. And I'm thinking, is something wrong? Is there something I can help you with? He goes, nope, I'll be there in a minute. So him and his wife pull up, they get out of their car, and they present my wife and I with a pie. And I thought it was the coolest thing. It was just a pie, just to say hi and to know that we were loved by our church family. I think that's awesome. So while we were sitting there talking about this, I said, hey, how do we keep this going? He goes, well, you could pie it forward. It was kind of a joke. We started laughing, and now Googling it, there's actually this pie it forward as a thing, I guess. So I thought to myself, why not try to do something like that for my community on F64 Academy to show my appreciation towards you? So that's what I'm doing. I'm pieing it forward. And now that you know about this, you could also pie someone else, or just, send somebody else a nice message of gratitude in this time and in this season that we're in. I'm sure they would really appreciate that. So there you have it. Pieing it forward. Friday, November 27th, 2:30 p.m. Central Time. So it'd be a good time. We can get a good message there on how to clear our clouded mind so we can end up being more creative individuals. And also, someone's going to walk away with a pie and a 1-hour one-on-one session. I'm really looking forward to it. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and register in the link in the description, or at the end of the video, or in the card that you're going to see here. And hey, you know what? Maybe pie it forward to somebody else. Now that you've heard this concept of pieing it forward, maybe you can pie someone else and show them that you appreciate them as well. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Friday on the live event.